What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we got a little day trading recap. Check. Well, guys, today I woke up really late. Woke up at the bell basically at 9:29. Yesterday the baby kept us up for the first time. She kept us up like pretty much all night, and I didn't even hear my alarm this morning. Usually I wake up before my alarm, but this morning I didn't even hear my alarm. So I woke up right before the bell, and maybe I should have taken that as a sign as to not to trade today. It's not so much that, I'm sitting on a red day. It's not so much that it's a bad red day, because it's on the higher end of my red days. It's a little over $300 on the red today. But it's just my performance wasn't there. I guess I don't know if I forced a trade or not, or I just fell in love with the trade. I think it had a lot of potential, right? I think I had a lot of potential, and the trade was on JAN. As most of us know, JAN was the leading gapper this morning. It was up at one point, I think over at 166, 166%. Small float, 1.57. Had news, had good volume, and it had like basically all the ingredients we would want for a mover. These are the trade idea scanners. 15% off coupon code in the description section below if you want to learn more about those, or if you want to purchase them. The code is there, so you can get 15% off. But Jan at the bell, let me show you. Let me move my recording back. Jan at the bell had a real nice range from $6 to $7. Real nice range here. These are 3-minute candles. And, as expected, after such a big gap up from $2 and change, gapping up here to, $7, high a day, 720 on this candle, it's expected that you'd get a pullback. So I was looking for it to pull back to this $5 area and hold support, and maybe we'd get ourselves a nice red to green move. Very small risk to the downside with tremendous upside potential. Because if we break over VWAP, we go to $7. Take some profit off there. And from $7, we have a clear runway to $8, $9. So there would be, a very good risk reward there. Let me get you the daily. Actually, I have to show you the daily over here, because Jan was another stock before. So here you have, lots of upper wicks up here in the $9 area. Okay. So that would have been my final target. And we have some prior resistance at $5. See, resistance here. Can you see that? Yeah. Resistance right here, this area right here is like $6, $5. So I figured $5 would be a good area to buy in front of. Okay. So I did. I initially got chopped up here. I have this one recording here because I'm not going to go through everything, because if not, the video would be too long. But I initially got long here. No, I'm sorry. Where is it? Closer to my trading time. I got long in this candle when I thought we were going to break VWAP. We pulled it back in here. I got stopped out. Then I got long again in here when we held $5. Got stopped out of it here. And then finally, my last trade on it was when we started to get this real nice clean action here. This kind of uptrend, holding $5, regaining $5, increase in volume here. I got long here full size this time. These were all smaller trades, but I was very convinced here, since we held $5 again and we had a perk in volume, that we would get a short squeeze going. So I got long full size there. And since my risk, was much smaller, okay, so here we go. So I'm in, okay, 1,000 shares. Cost base is $5.23. My stop is going to be the $5 area, okay? So I'm looking for it to hold this 9 EMA, which is this this blue line that you see right here. I'm looking for it to hold that as support, and I'm looking for it to get up here and test VWAP, break VWAP, and go to $6. Now I'm in at 523 with 1,000 shares. I'm looking to take some profit off in front of this area here and hold on to see if we break through $6 and go to $7. This could have easily been, $800, $1,200, $1,300 trade easily with this small float. We would have easily squeezed up to $6-7, and the break of 7, we're going at 8 or 9 more than likely, right? That's the back of the mind target, $9. They're generally at least that area, taking profit along the way. Okay, so I'm in there, and we're gonna go ahead and fast forward this because it's a pretty long trade, and I'm looking for it to continue holding that 9 EMA and continue to squeeze up there, make higher lows. It's making higher lows, and get us a move up to the VWAP area. Here we start to get this little move, and I'm starting to get confident. I'm already up real nice in the trade, $200 and something, but obviously I'm not trading my P&L. If I was trading my P&L, I would have taken this trade right there and booked that profit, right? $200 a day, 5 days a week, it's $1,000. However, I'm trading the chart. I don't trade my P&L, right? Some people might be like, oh, you're getting greedy. Well, I'm not getting greedy. I'm trading the plan. The plan here is calling for a VWAP test, maybe take some profit off there, break a VWAP, take some more profit as we squeeze up to the high of day, and hold on to the rest, looking for the move higher. I'm trading the chart. I'm trading this for a short squeeze, not a scalp. But we're continuing making higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, holding this 9 EMA. I'm looking for it to, there we go, we start to get up there. And, I'm looking for this volume to start really coming in. Not seeing it come in yet. So watch. Right there, I take off just 250 shares just to take a little risk off the table. Because I'm not seeing the volume coming in big. We are increasing volume, and we're getting up there to test VWAP. So I'm like, okay, 750 shares. I already took some profit off. Let's see if we can get this move up here to $7. From 521, that's a home run trade. Hell, that's a grand slam trade. If I take some profit off at $7 and then over 7, $8. Good Lord, that would have been a monster trade. Instead, now my stop is going to be this 9 EMA area, okay? Instead, we get this action right here, and I stop out right there. I stop out with profit like 7 cents or something like that. And let me show you what happens. Whoops. We just chop around between VWAP and $5 all day long until it decides to break down right there, and it fades it into the close. So here you go. You could see right there holding this, low day area, testing VWAP area almost, until finally around 1 o'clock, it just decides to start fading, and it fades it. And that's it. So JAN, very disappointing. We did have another stock in after hours go absolutely insane from like $8 to $30 on phase 3 news, I believe it was. Don't remember exactly what stock it was, but I'm going to look it up for you right now. So hold on. All right, guys, so I found it. Let me show you this insanity right here. This stock closed down here like at $7 area. It had news in after hours, and it went to a high of 34.65. Well, this says here 36.51 actually, so I wonder what the truth is. Monster move. Anyone who might have bought this to swing it, market closed, they went about their day, maybe went to go have dinner, and now they're seeing this at $34. Insanity. We're gonna have to keep this on watch tomorrow and see if we get some other sympathy plays, maybe some other stocks drop some similar news, and we can take advantage of that and make some money, because this is a ridiculous move. Let's take a little look here and see the float on this is actually pretty large. It's 54 million shares in the float, so that's pretty big. Here's another look at this. Pretty funny. The news on it. Let's see if we can find that news real quick. So it's up 325%. Let's get this over here. It's up 325%. That is ridiculous. Quadruples after transformational studies. Here we go. Announces positive top-of-the-line data from pivotal phase 3 Advocate trial demonstrating the medication's superiority. So this thing's going to be in play tomorrow, more than likely. But good Lord, I mean, how much higher can it go? That's insanity right now. Let's take a look at the daily real quick while we're here hanging out. Let's take a look at this daily. Let's see how far back. Well, we see this pivot here at $15. I'm going to go ahead and draw this line out. We're going to leave it. Whoop, you don't see it. Here we go. That top right there at $15. It's a double top in that area. And it was all last year. Don't really see anything else. So it's going to be interesting. It'll be an interesting one tomorrow for sure. At a gap entry point here at the 9s for the $10. But it's not. I mean, if it gets all the way back down there after going up to $31, good Lord, that's massive pullback. But maybe this $15 area we identified here from last year. Let's see if we can see it a little bit bigger. If my mouse would want to cooperate, that would be very much appreciated. Here we go. Here's the top right here. Well, can't see that. Top right here, boom. Came back down. And that was this year, actually. As you can see, it's been trading. Why can't you see that? There you go. Yeah, see, it's been trading in this channel. Boom, another top right here. Last year, which is the one I'm talking about, in front of that $15 area. So, if we could watch that $15 area for a pullback and see if it holds support. That'll be pretty interesting. But that's pretty much it, guys. We got to watch these biotechs tomorrow and see which other ones have news. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you on the next one.